Hello, bass guitar riffs for beginners. Today I've got blues bass riffs and a bass solo out of the 12-bar blues that I'll break down in the key of A for you. So stick around for that and you'll definitely get something out of it. You can use this to practice with and just practice over and over, because that's what you need to do. You really need to hone in on the blues because there's a lot of good bass lines in the blues and stuff like that. So definitely stick around for that. And if you don't know me by now, I'm Donald Witt, the bass instructor of the How to Play Bass online course at iwannaplaybass.com. Jump over there, subscribe, get your free ebook on setting your bass up, and enjoy it, and become a member for free also. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I've got bass guitar tips, videos, lessons, and gear review and stuff like that that you won't want to miss. So hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, get in the loop, don't miss a beat, and I'll check y'all out in the next one. So what we've got today is the key in the key of A, and I'm going to be breaking down the 12-bar blues. I've got a little loop here, and 12-bar blues is going to be A for 4 bars, D for 2 bars, A for 2 bars, E for a bar, D for a bar, and then A for 2 bars. And that's your 12 bars of the blues. That's your standard 12-bar blues right there. There's lots of variations of that, but that's a standard one right there. So I'll play the loop and then we'll go from there. All right, so hope you enjoy. I might get my head out of the frame here a little bit, but as long as you can see the bass, that's the goal here. All right, ready? We'll let it go through one round. This is just 12-bar blues, 4 bars of A, 2 bars of D, 2 bars of A, 1 bar of E, 1 bar of D, 1 bar of A. I'll play the melody first. So I hope you enjoyed that. Definitely pretty neat little melodic bass line there. And if you want to know it, it's just going to be basically in the key of A, like I said before. And we're using the triads a lot, the A triad, A major triad, and the, what else do we, the C sharp. We target the C sharp a lot, and we use the A triad and C sharps in that A major triad, so it's real pleasing to the ear. You definitely want to keep in there, not a lot of sevenths in there. It's blues, but I didn't tear into a lot of sevenths. It's more of a major blues, but it's definitely not a lot of dominant sevens in there. Just keeping it clean and natural to our ears, what we're used to hearing. So it's, like I said, it's in key of A, and it's just A. I told you the chord progression are A, the 1, 4, and 5. A for 4 bars, D for 2 bars, A for 2 bars, E for 1 bar, D for 1 bar, and then back to A for 2 bars, and that's the end. Now the little melody is just B to C sharp, B to C sharp, E to F sharp, wait, B to C sharp, E to C sharp, B to C sharp, then E to F sharp, and then G sharp to A, F sharp, E, and we just hold on to E, and then we go. Then we go F sharp, C sharp, E, B, D, A, D, C, B to C sharp. See that C sharp's real, it's sweet, and it's a sweet spot right here in this particular arrangement. So that's the melody right there. Play it twice, and then we come into the solo. We just do an A major triad, A, C sharp, E, to F sharp, E, to C sharp. Then we do the D Lydian, but we're kind of arpeggiating. So D, E, F sharp, E, F sharp, A, B, A, B, C sharp. And then we just walk down the Lydian scale. I'll muff that up a little bit. And then we go to, we're doing 6th intervals, minor and major. So we go G sharp to A to F sharp, F sharp, G to E, E to F sharp to D, and then that's, and then we just do a walk down from D, D, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, octave E, slide into the F sharp, and then open D. Real nice. I love that. That right there. And then we go to the C sharp minor triad. Real nice there. And then we do a walk up from the A, B, D, E, F sharp, G, A, F sharp, G, B, and then we go G sharp, A major triad, A, C sharp, E, F sharp. There we go. So it's gonna be that kind of like our first lick in that whole solo section. A, C sharp, E, F sharp to C sharp, and then we G sharp to A, and then we do this little. That's going to be E, F sharp, A, and then I don't know if I do that though. I think I just, and then we go to the C sharp. And then we just do a little, using that Lydian scale however you want to. I think I'll muff that up. I muffed that whole melody line there. We just do F sharp, A, B, C sharp, B, A, F sharp. And it's almost getting ready to end. I think we're ending it there. And I just go to the little blues bass riff, you know, A, C sharp, A, C sharp to E, you know, for 4 bars, and then D, and then A for 2 bars, D for 2 bars, A for 2 bars, and then we go to E, just walk up to the B, E, G sharp, A, B, D, F sharp, G sharp, A, and then I go to A, camera A to, I think it was just A, and then I went back into the melody again. So that's all. I mean, not much. Just something to practice with. All right. So hope you enjoyed that. If you liked it, hit that like button. Help me help you. And definitely subscribe. Get in the loop. Don't miss a beat. And I will catch y'all on the flip-flop in the next video. All right. Bye now.